Experience the most intelligent vacuum cleaner head with super wide LED. With its super wide LED head, V-Scan uncovers the smallest dust particles and debris and helps you achieve a spotless cleaning in a shorter time. A new paradigm of vacuum cleaner heads. V-Scan. Your house may seem clean, but a clean appearance alone is not an indication of a truly clean environment. As fine dust and pet hairs remain in space, those who have a weak immune system, such as children, may suffer from long-term respiratory health issues. You may have seen in the morning how the dust is clearly more visible in the sunlight. Using this principle of specular reflection, V-Scan's super wide LED head illuminates debris at every distance, making it easy to clean, especially in dark settings. The LED light emits through a special lens combined with a reflector, which works to reflect any debris in the way. Remove even the smallest dust particles or hairs by visually inspecting their cleanliness. Thanks to the double-layered LED lighting, V-Scan can illuminate up to 4 meters at both close and far ranges, allowing high-quality and spotless cleaning in all areas where the light hits. Compared to conventional vacuum nozzles, our head measures 11.8 inches and allows you to clean wider areas at once. Use it with Dyson products. Experience more reliable, efficient cleaning with the ultimate dust catcher, super wide LED head. With V-Scan, you can keep your cleaning chores hygienic and effective with more convenience. You can just change from a carpet brush to a hard floor brush with a one-click button easy and comfortably. Inspired by morning light and its diffused reflection, we invested 3 full years of research and development in retro-reflection technology, presenting a new, innovative vacuum cleaner head equipped with dual LED lights using a special condenser lens combined with a reflector plate. With outstanding performance backed up by groundbreaking technology, our product will redefine the landscape of vacuum cleaner heads and elevate your cleaning experience and lifestyle. Intelligent vacuum cleaner head with super wide LED. V-Scan.